Everyone knows who Elon Musk is, and that he's extremely rich. He founded the very successful electric vehicle company Tesla, and was part of the PayPal mafia back in 1998. Elon Musk is by far the richest person on Earth, with a staggering net worth of $247 billion. Even though he wasn't born a millionaire, he managed to amass a huge amount of money in a short amount of time. You must be wondering, how did someone that wasn't born filthy rich become exactly that? Well, in this video, we will find out what Elon Musk did before PayPal was in the picture. We will delve deep into his untold past and envisage the companies and businesses he started when first planting his money trees. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from us. Elon Musk was an eager entrepreneur from a young age, and even built his own game when he was just a teen. He did many side hustles as a teenager to earn his first few bucks. It's important to note that Musk was an avid reader from a young age, and would read for hours every single day. He understood that what he didn't know, he could learn from books, and kept expanding his knowledge. Many successful entrepreneurs read over 50 books a year, whereas the average person reads less than one book a year. Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates also share this habit, and constantly learn new things from reading. What Musk learned was that he could study a successful person's life through a book. He can see all the mistakes they've made and learn from them, so he can avoid those mistakes when starting his own ventures. Another interest Musk had was tech, and this was due to the video games he used to play as a teenager. He was fascinated by tech and wanted to explore new and wacky technology that he'd never seen or used. Eager to learn more about the tech world, he completed a programming course after he got his first computer. This course then led him to create his first ever game, Blastar. Musk learned a valuable skill, which was coding, at such a young age, and figured out how to monetize it when he later sold the game for $500 to a computer magazine. Just by learning to code, he learned many important factors that go into business, such as learning a skill, mastering it, learning how to monetize that skill, and later how to sell. These are some of the core skills needed in business, which helped him make billions later in his life. One amazing fact was that he was only 12 years old when he sold the game. He started his entrepreneurship journey while most kids his age were worrying about what excuse they'll use for not doing their homework. The most important thing Musk learned from this endeavor was that tech had huge potential, and there's a huge opportunity to make a lot of money in that sector. Musk left South Africa in his teenage years, and moved to Canada to work on his cousin's farm. He worked very hard and did various jobs, and he was a cleaner at a boiler room. He earned $18 an hour and remained at this job even after 33 out of 36 people who got the job left. This is where he learned to work hard and understood the importance of resilience in life. It shows us that he was a hard worker from a young age, and that trickled down later in life when he started Tesla and SpaceX. What this teaches us is that many successful entrepreneurs have a huge drive that pushes them forward. It shows us how badly he wanted to be rich, and tells us that commitment and discipline are the building blocks of success. Another thing this demonstrates is that he tried many things before starting a business. This is important, as it teaches you many things about different industries and what could be done better in certain fields. Elon Musk and his brother struck an internship at a large bank. The two brothers did this by calling many successful business owners and asking them directly for an internship at their company. They managed to arrange a dinner with Peter Mickelson, who offered the brothers an internship after a lengthy conversation. The brothers learned many things, which later helped them in life, like networking, rejection, and how to provide value to someone. These things are all part of owning and starting a business. Learning how to bounce back from failure is essential for the business to survive and then thrive. Musk studied in Queen's University for 2 years, after which he got a scholarship to attend University of Pennsylvania. He sold computer parts, PCs, and even helped with tech support in his free time. His base of operations was his dorm room, and he kept working and made a few dollars by fixing and selling computers. Being the young-hearted entrepreneur that he is, he managed to find a way to pay his rent by converting his house into a nightclub. He had up to 500 people enjoy his parties and charged them $5 at the door, which included an all-you-can-drink bar. Not bad for a makeshift club while studying at college. He was the organizer of the parties, which meant that he had to remain sober throughout the night. Fun fact, his mom worked the door for his crazy parties and collected the money. Back in the day, people used the Yellow Pages, which was a telephone directory which listed the number for various businesses and organizations. Elon Musk recognized that people were searching around looking for businesses, so his company started out as a searchable business directory so users could get door-to-door directions to businesses. Musk got the business running by buying a business address for a couple $100s. This helped him start the Zip2 website and build his customer base. When they landed the website, Musk only had $2,000 in his bank. However, his father gave him $20,000 to get the business running. Musk lived below his means and slept on a mattress and showered in gyms. It's crazy to think that Elon Musk once didn't even have a proper bed and is now the richest person on Earth. Musk also had to share the computer with his brother, as they couldn't afford another one. He worked at night while his brother worked in the morning. He even borrowed internet from the office below to save money. This is called bootstrapping, and many startups and businesses do this to get the company up and running so they can reinvest all profits back into the business to exponentially grow it. Reinvesting back into the business is extremely important and is the reason why some businesses don't become extremely large and profitable. Musk could have indulged himself in consumerism and bought a better car or a bigger house, but he didn't, and instead he lived below his means. This is just one important element rich and successful people understand and live by. Most of them live below their means and invest most of their money on their business or more assets. Elon slowly started to hire people for sales and paid them on commission, which was a smart move, as they're then incentivized to sell to the best of their ability. In 1997, Zip2 began offering a service to newspaper companies and offered them directories and city guides. And by 1998, over 200 newspaper companies were using their platform. Elon Musk managed to pivot and carry on growing the business. Pivoting is a very important part in business because it could mean the end for the company. How many of you remember Nokia and BlackBerry? They were huge businesses back in their day, but couldn't adapt to change. So they slowly phased out when the competition evolved and improved their product line. Elon Musk later sold the company for $307 million in 1999, and Musk got a huge payout of $22 million. Elon Musk became a millionaire, or should I say multimillionaire, at the age of 27. What did you think of Elon Musk's life to becoming a millionaire? Did his story inspire you to go out there and create something? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.